So Luke, obviously first call up into the Cymru senior squad. Tell us, how did you feel when you found out?
Yeah, I was absolutely buzzing. Yeah, just it was such a surreal moment. Just buzzing as soon as I found out. I told mum and dad, and they were just it was just a proud day for me and my family.
How were your parents' reaction? I guess you phoned them up and they were
Yeah, I
over the
think
moon.
they were both a bit emotional. Obviously, my dad's side's Welsh, my mum's side's Irish, so yeah, it was just that was just a proud day.
And how have you settled in here the last few days? You had a warm welcome from the players?
Yeah, it's been lovely. All the players have been nice. Staff have been lovely. Yeah, so it's been a good few days.
So tell us a bit about yourself then. You know, what sort of player are you?
Like to get into the box and score. I love working hard for the team, getting around the pitch, yeah, and just love winning.
And what are you hoping to get out of the next week on camp with the seniors here?
Just to make a good impression, not just from the staff, but with the boys as well, and hopefully make my debut. That'll top off the week.
And what would it mean for you then if you put on that Cymru shirt for the first time, and hopefully you're obviously trying to make a good impression for the manager as well?
Yeah, I think it'd be a proud, but I think it'd be an emotional day as well for me and my family. But yeah, it'd mean everything.
And then finally, you know, over the years you played for our 17s, 18s, 19s. How useful was that experience for you before coming on to this camp?
Yeah, it was good. We've played some big teams like for the youth, so it's a good experience coming to this camp. So I'm just looking forward to it now and looking forward to what the week's going to hold.